Good morning. We're going to run. Yes, mag-run meron guys. Kaya ay pa-free fun wine dito sa SM. Say hi. Outfit check. Okay, wait. Outfit check. Where's it? Kita sa patos.
Kumikip ba? Hindi mo kita mo dahil.
Where ba na ito? Outfit check. Yes, no cap. Shoulder. Bawak. Sabi na sa stretching yung sir. Hi guys, manto na misa. Kita mo to guys. SM. Okay. Manto na guys. Manto na misa SM. Good morning, Putuan. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Padahon ni mag-walking sa aming ginagmay ron. Para mabot mo sa SM. Very demure. Kani, abi na ako lalahi lagi ni si Marcela. Very sexy, very demure, very classy. Hey, outfit check. Nahanap pa ni. Mati mong niyon tayo man. Kung imit kang kuan. Yeah. This a moment. Yay! So, tumapad na sa pan. Ang pan. Mo, mapit mo. Marisol. And Jikoy. Oh, okay. Ito, balag ko anak sa.
Itong sikwatehan, dahil ito Christine. Tutos pinbol. Dahil tahos.
It's very yummy. Wala cheese bread. Siyang init. Cheese. Sa pan. Nagtaliksik. Lahir lagi ni amang bunny girl. Good morning.
Hello guys.
Hello, good morning.
Pinaanak lagi na yung di ba portrait?
Shut up landscape. Na-realize na ko lang nag-jogging na siya guys. Mag-walk.
Nagdilibing daw na pero alauna tulog. Grabe Sara oh. Yeah, ay nasana.
Kasi lang make it very. Okay? Nagpasilong may kay gaulan guys.
Mawara ni kay kuan man tagko ang ulan.
Ang gagmay day be. Tweet na check na lang sa tabi. Inspired by trees. Hi Marisol. Hi Sarah the bunny girl.
Tugon pa nga.
Nga nung nag-inuktok naman ang mag-run.
Cause it's
Ha? Nga nung nag-inuktok naman because of today. It's been raining in Butuan.
mong dili kadagan.
Ano nag-inuktok naman ng Disney princess? Ulan guys. Okay, nami karon sa Goldilocks. Baka naman Goldilocks. Cheers. It's been raining in Butuan guys. That's why we're here. Oh my god, it's already what time now? What time is it? What time is it? Oh my god.
Ato ta City Hall. Kanto na mo? Let's get it guys.
What time is it? What time is it? Say oras day. Time check.
4:20.
Oh, it's already 4:27. My god. Grabe naman eh. Okay. Luya niya doy.
Guys, our running turns out.
Okay. Wala na dayon ang run. Kay gaulan. I have here a torta cake. Okay, we're here. Let me know the line. Okay, we're back. Yay! It's very fun. Ang sayo kasulti guys nga naka-walking and okay, Marisol first. What can you say? Is it good?
No, inununan.
Wow! It smells good. Hey, we're back.
It was quite fun and tiring at the same time.
And good.
It was all worth it.
How about you, Sarah?
I'm
What can you say about
hungry and sleepy as well.
yeah, hungry and sleepy? We're gonna sleep now. Okay.